up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today we are doing a pantry organize and declutter. This is much needed. Over the holidays, I have accumulated so many things in this pantry. You guys, this pantry is really turned into a whole mess. It's a disaster. So I'm kind of embarrassed to actually show you guys my pantry because that's just how terrible it is. But we're gonna keep it transparent. This is real life. And yes, things have accumulated in my pantry, you guys. So no judging, okay? Because it is terrible. With Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, I'm always doing things and it has accumulated in my pantry. But today we are starting some early spring cleaning. Spring is right around the corner and I'm motivated to get this house in check before spring. So today you guys are going to be a part of it. We're about to jump in my pantry. I'm going to give you guys a peek of the before and after. So let's just jump into this video. So this is a peek into my pantry, you guys. Don't judge me. It is a mess. I know. But I'm gonna get this all taken care of today. And I have so much stuff. I have like all my baking stuff here, my herbal stuff. I have it all. So I have to get all of this cleaned out and organized. So I'm gonna start out by just taking everything out, cleaning, and we are going to trash several things, organize, and we're gonna start with a fresh, clean slate. Making progress. So I have all my jars on this side and then all this just came out. everything from the bottom is out. Now I have to get everything on my baking rack. Yes, I have tons of stuff, you guys, because I am a baker, not organized. I have herbal stuff, beeswax, elderberry, carrier oils, all types of herbs. And then I have more cake supplies, and all this has to be organized. I'm gonna try to use these bins to get a little bit organized here, and we're gonna see how it goes. Pounds of beeswax. Pantry is looking good, you guys. Got the floor all clean. The baseboards are cleaned. I wiped down the walls. Welcome to my new pantry. Oh my gosh, you guys, this was so much needed. Everything is in its proper place. I got my cake and herb station organized. Well, as much as it possibly could be right now. So this is not 100% how I would have liked it, you guys. Underestimated how many bins I would have needed. But the main thing is, it is clean. So I have my extras in here, and I have basically sugars, sugar alternative, and then just extras on my beans. and my condiments, my chicken stock. Then I have my herbal tea stash here with my rice, oatmeal, and I ended up putting my onions in this basket. Super cute. That works out super good. And I ended up adding like cough drops into here for when we need a cough drop. So I did order these labels from Amazon a while ago. I've had them for quite some time now. It's a good alternative if you don't have a Cricut to make your own, which I'm planning to get a Cricut so that I can personalize things on my own. But these labels did come from Amazon. Was a huge pantry transformation, you guys. It was so much needed. I'm glad I was able to get it done. I'm glad you guys were joining me. Hopefully you are motivated to clean your own. I know spring is around the corner, so we are going to start a series of spring cleaning. Don't judge me. I know I had a lot of stuff in this pantry, but when you are savvy, and you have all these different hats, you have to have the things you need for each thing. So I'm a baker, cake decorator, mom, beginner herbalist, and all that stuff has ended up in this pantry. But I'm so glad that I was able to get it done. And I want to say thanks for hanging out with me today, you guys. Thanks for cleaning with me, organizing, and doing this pantry transformation. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Meet me down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.